Isunjaba, the head of Isu clan, is a beautiful town located in Imo State in southeastern part of Nigeria. Isunjaba is very popular for its unique cultures and tradition, but behind the stereotype lies a town of beautiful cultures, amazing people, and rich history. And that is why today I will take you to Imo State and we will go to Isunjaba and we will learn more about the history, the cultures, and the story of the Isunjaba people. Join me, let us go to Isunjaba and explore the culture of Isunjaba people. When we talk about Isunjaba, people always think about python, snake, and snake. But most of the people don't even know the story. Even the people who have heard about the python culture, they don't even know anything about the culture. I decided I would travel to Isunjaba to learn more and to also educate you about the story, the history, and the culture of Isunjaba people. So we came to Isunjaba and I've met some elders. They took me to Gedegum Palace, and after a few minutes explaining to me about the meaning of Gedegum.
Gedegum Muwabidro, Adawahu, here Isunjaba community. And as an ancient kingdom. As an autonomous community. This is a community. We don't know when it started. By origin, I believe in Oshinaka Chinekapita. I had a jasper, I will get a room. Get a room,
and they took me to the place of assembly of the town where they would tell me more about the culture, the history of Isunjaba. I have a lot of questions in my list, but firstly, I would like to know the history of this town, and I know that a lot of you would want to know about the cultures and tradition of Isunjaba, so I asked them to tell me a brief history and about the culture of Isunjaba.
Isunjaba, as a community, take a before Sayawud Autonomous Community, honor all link between northern and southern groups of Isu clan. I want the Nako Robo, Sunjaba the Nako Robo. The measure cash crops I Nako, Ede, Oyanako Ede, Yakuko Yam, I Nakoka. Nako Kwa, Jaku, Yanakwa Jaku, Odakwa Jaku, Nako Kwa, Mabaya di Chiche. And a very major river, very prominent river in Imo State, and Isunjaba River. The source is Isunjaba. That Isunjaba River, they provide very potable drinking water, or very unique, or a very light greenish in color, but very natural. If one of that Isunjaba River now, and with limestone, that limestone, or a kejeme chalk. Isunjaba River, I want sediments of sands. Name them. Something like sharp sands, filling sands, and plastic sands. Handling on Java River. As the first is in Java, you create which will be ama. Still, I can't wear with you. You soon when I cook, I am we Elili, E-L-I-L-I.
I know very well that Isunjaba people are very successful when it comes to farming because of their very fertile soil. I also know that they have different types of cultures, so I asked more about the cultures. In Isunjaba, they have a lot of cultures and they have cultural seasons. Like they have the Okosha cultural dance, they have the Ibuawa, which is the New Yam Festival, and they have a lot. So that is why I asked, and here is what they have to say.
I'm always a dream Madoba. Shimo, Ishimozo, Zednubi, Isunjaba. Yabasa Kenjaba, war. Bind a Gugadegu, Assumo Wabidro. Well, Wabidro, Kajaba Bidro, no Badaya. And will I be seen about Shiribia? That day, Chinaka, Obodo, Isunjaba Bidro, Isunjaba Bidro. I patas when I'm well, when I quicken. I could be allowed over the side of Query, adequate. Oh, you break in Java. Nobody. a ga-akwa ya etu esi akwa mmadụ, a ga-azụ akpati ozu, a ga-azụ akwa white, a ga-azụ ike red, a ga-eji fụchichie ya ọfụma gaa gwuo ala. A na-egwu ala elie ya. Onye Isunjaba jiri dị ọkpụrụkpụ. Mgbe mbụ Isunjaba na-ebi n'ụlọ akịrịka, na-abata n'ụlọ akịrịka bịa bụ ịdị n'ebe a ya gaa n'okpuru pilo ndoru. Ada atụkwana mmadụ. Isunjaba adị atụ mmadụ ka mmadụ nwụọ. Ndị Isunjaba na-atụ ndị na-eri ya. Enwere obodo na-erikwa ya o. But Isunjaba ya kpụrụ Isunjaba gbamgbem na ndị bịa n'akụkụ. Ndị anyị tochiri bịa n'akụkụ. Isi niile gbamgbem ya kpụrụ isi. A dị eri eke. Ebe anyị na-adị eri eke. Eke na ọdụ ka nwanne anyị agakwana nwanne ya bịa ebe anyị nọ na-eji nwa ya gaa lụọ onwe ya gakwa n'ebe akwụkwọ nna ya dị ọbọchị gakwa n'ebe ya nwa nọ ya jikwana nwa ya gaa lụọ onwe anyị si enwere ihe dị ka problem anyị na-eke nwere. Onye mba bịa n'obodo a rie eke anyị ga-eme ya ojemba. Ụfọdụ m ihe na-akpọ ojemba. A ga-eli eke ha kpọla ebe echi ọya na-eji abịa mkpụrụ onye mba n'obodo eburu ụzọ gwa ya gwasị ile ebiko n'ụlọ mmadụ legwa eke nsọ ya asọ. Ndị obodo na-asọ ya nsọ. Egbukwula eke, eghukwula eghu, erikwula eri. Enwe ya buru ya ga-atụ ya n'ọhịa ya gawuru onwe ebe a na-aga. Kwe na nye m na-ekwu ete ka eke ha m n'olu fọ na
eke mara mma mgbe adịkwa ka emere ọya ka ọzọ eke wu a security officer ebe ụmụ ruru maji nọ. In those days nwaanyị mụrụ nwa ọhụrụ nwere onye na-ekiri ya nwa etobede ya eji mee ngwa gaa na mgbala ka ọ kpara akwụkwọ. Eke senso na-enwere denja data eke gara ịga n'elu bed ahụ nwa ahụ doro na ọgara nwa enwere ndị agresọ enwere gị shas abịa ime nwa ahụ atak ịbịakwazi ya pụọ ya pụọ. But before gị bịa o severe your child maka any person who an aggressor chọrọ ịbịa ma atak bịa hụ eke ọ ga-agba ọsọ maka lot of people na mistake eke for agwọ. So ihe ụlọ ahụrụ tụrụ ogologo narị arị ha na-ewe asa agwọ. So ya nọ ga ha wee ha abụlaga. We don't worship that eke but anyị na-eweta eke asị onye na-ekwukwara ya aka na security problems. Enwere no mansion ndị mmadụ abịa na-achịbata nga abịa were ihe imepe ala gate nwee eke you have to run away. Ọkwachighị ọzọ but ị ga na-ahụta ya sị this type of thing obere there before. So ya wuye m tigere n'aka nye onye eze okwu and o kwuru okwu as a traditionalist ụkwado onye echichi. Thank you.
I hope that this can at least clarify those of you who have heard about the Python culture of Isunjaba but you don't know anything much about the culture. I hope that this will clarify those of you that thinks because Isunjaba does not kill python, then they worship python. I hope this can at least give you some clue of the reason why Isunjaba people forbids you killing python in Isunjaba. And if you're enjoying this video so far, I want you to do something for me. I want you to click the red subscribe button right here in your screen now and turn on the bell notification so that you will be the first person to know when I upload my next video.
obodo anyị na-agba okorocha ka eji emere Isunjaba because anyị ji emere Isunjaba ọgwụ ihe ure ọwa egwu ure egwu mgbe afọ ọla anyị ga-agba okorocha ụmụ nwaanyị ga-atụrịsị ime because ndị apụtaghị ụwa bịa ilekiri ihe a na-akpọ okorocha. So okorocha ahụ bụrụ uru nnukwu n'obodo anyị na-agba okorocha na-agbakwa ya ọfụma. Anyị na-ejikwa ọgwụ agba okorocha mgbe ya na-eme Isunjaba anyị na-eti igwe ọgwụ na ya nọtị eze gwura ya agwa eze anyị gwura si anyị mekwu ya na-eme ọgwụ na-aba n'ime asịgodị ijide ahụ asịgodị onye ọ nọ na bed n'odo okorocha ka a ga-akwụlite na bed bịa lekiri okorocha soro gba ya agba soro kụọ ya ka ọ soro kwa aka akwụghị na ihe m na-ekwu so ete ka okorocha si ekwuru.
let me go straight to John. John, in those days, by the region, Igbo hour. I want you to specify that thing. Igbo hour of your New Yam Festival. New Yam Festival is English. And I may time guru as soon as Ebola hour. As soon as Ebola hour. So, in the wisdom of the new essay, is where it says to be so sorry. You have to see. But Igbo hour is Isunjaba. Now one day. The one can do is Ebola. Yeah, we have to see first Saturday of every August. Igbo hour is Isunjaba. And it's not done any other place other than the Gedegum Palace.
So, and lastly, I want to reveal something for you. Do you know that me, WOWNECHE, whom you're watching right now, is also from Isunjaba? Yes, this is my community, and I have been going to different places everywhere to film people's culture, document about people's tradition, but I haven't done for my own community, which I know very well that my community have a lot of history, a very unique culture which everybody really wants to talk about. And today I am bringing you the culture of my community, and right now I want to use this opportunity to invite you that is watching me right now, wherever you're watching from, it doesn't matter. I want to invite you to Isunjaba. I want to call you to come and invest in Isu. Come and invest in Isu. Bring down your companies, bring down your business, bring down your factories, bring it down to Isunjaba right here. Open your company here. In fact, this place is fast becoming a town, and you want to be among the first beneficiaries who will come here and open their business and success here in Isunjaba. There are so many sectors which you can invest in currently in Isunjaba, and as I'm speaking with you right now, so many factories, so many industries, so many companies are bringing down their business down to Isunjaba, and you want to be among those that will come in very early so that you will be among the first successful people to bring down their business to Isunjaba. I also asked the elders what they think about businesses coming down to Isu and how they will welcome businesses that are coming down to Isunjaba, and this is what they had to say.
Dika omai mandamba na wondi Isunjaba na Isunjaba. Onye ọla nwere business a na-eme a chọrọ ibute n'obodo anyị. Ọlụla anyị na road shop, a na-eme shop yara ndị a this year. Chineke goziri anyị. E nwere nwanne anyị nwoke si Lagos bụrụ factory bute n'obodo a. Factory na-adị on 24. A na-produce ihe eji arụ ụlọ ma
plumbing,
pipes, tiles, everything. So moto na-abịa shi Owerri, shi Abuja, shi Aba, shi Onitsha na-abịa na-eburu ngwa ahịa every day n'ala. All nwere business a ga-eme ga-enye ya ego ga-eme ka amụba ebute n'obodo anyị ebute n'Isunjaba. Ọgụrụ ejiri factory ala nọ a ga-enye sọngwe a ga-eji a ga-azụrụ ọlụkwasị a ga-enye ahịa free a ga-azụrụ were rụọ factory obodo anyị emepegwula obodo anyị town. Isunjaba is a great town, all the small place.
Nwaanyị nwoke na mepere industry ebe a na-eme pipes, plumbing of any kind. Or an importer of ties in Lagos. And all decide. So, you have knowledge. You may pay company in a village in Lemogagaya. You may pay company. Even Lagos hobby, the Squeba, now be able to pipe here. The junior brother, equally, has opened an agro-allied products. About the feed of the same site. Why are they successful? One, there is no restiveness in Isunjaba. We accommodate visitors so much. Or the major thing that we encourage someone to come and do business here. I'm going to accessible roads. Isunjaba, how about this valley here now? Isunjaba, one of the communities in the whole Imo State with the best accessible roads. I'm going to use that can work. I'm going to be a big company. You guys should be Lagos, but we have to use that can work. They should come, tell them. You get have tell them. Let them come. We are ready. for them.
And thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more travel, adventure and cultural, if you want to see anything in between travel, because when I travel I go to so many places, even the places you don't hear on the radio, places you don't see on the television, places you might never know they actually exist. And when I go there, I show you the culture, tradition, lifestyle of the people of that places. What you have to do right now is click the red subscribe button right now, right here on your screen, so that you will be the very first person to know when I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.